Publishing a book in multiple languages is a powerful way to expand your reach as an author, but it takes planning, good translation, and collaboration with the right publishing partner. Let's find out more. To translate your book into a different language, there are a few ways that you can go about it. If you're fluent in the language, you can translate it yourself, or you can hire a professional translator. Either way, you need to make sure that the translated version is faithful to the original text and you match the tone, nuances, and style accurately. You can also sell the translation rights to a publisher who will handle the translation and publish your book. Once your translation is ready, you will have to reformat your book for the new language. Different languages take up different amounts of space on a page. Make sure your layout suits the new language and cultural reading habits. A new language means reaching out to a new audience. That means your marketing also needs to speak to that new audience. That means your author page should be available in every language that you publish. And the promotional content that you post should also be available in the target language. Even if you're translating your book yourself, it helps to hire a native speaking editor. They will help catch errors, improve clarity, and ensure that your book speaks to the local readers. Before you publish in multiple languages, check for a few basics. Ensure that you own the rights to publish translations. Account for the additional costs of translation, editing, and publishing in a new language. And also remember that each language version of your book needs a unique ISBN. Whether you're self-publishing in multiple Indian languages or looking to reach global markets, Notion Press can make it happen. Click the link below to get in touch with our publishing experts. Do you have any more questions? Check out our other videos to stay updated about all things publishing. And you can also click on the link in the description to talk to one of our publishing consultants who will help clear all your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Happy publishing!